Today we have a Creative Roman Day, running creative activities for families. So this is, I think, our 4th or 5th Creative Roman Day. This year it's bigger and better, so we're working across a number of sites. So we're working with LCB Depot, Curve Theatre, Leicester Print Workshop, the Phoenix and 2 Queens. So it's a much bigger Roman Day than we would normally run. It's fantastic to have these partnerships, so we're running a whole range of creative activities from pottery making, mosaic making. You can come and excavate Roman pottery from Leicester in our dig pit. You can dress up as a Roman soldier. You can build an aqueduct out of drain pipes and gaffer tape, I think. Mosaic making using iPads, but we've also got actual mosaic making, and you can handle real Roman tesserae as well. So there's lots and lots of different activities going on across the venue, and it's great to be able to travel between them on the rickshaws as well, which is fantastic for children. They absolutely love riding on the rickshaws.
This one's quite rough.
It's like you find treasure, like if you were like on an island and you're trying to find treasure.
We thought there was only one coin, and then I found another coin. You get a jackpot as well.
I found one of the coins with a dog.
And it's hard to find because it's very small. And my brother found another coin, but he remembered where he put it, but then he forgot. And then he told me where it was near, and I found it.
So we want to dig up some things now. I think this might be a potato, big one here. I really am keen on doing spectacular, mad, fun things for the kids' activities that they can kind of get inspired by and excited by, and also kind of a little bit of a challenge. Try digging a bit deeper into the soil and see if you can go right up into the roots. But working with the university is really great because they come with lots of different angles that we might not necessarily kind of get from the people that we regularly work with. Oh, what's that? Treasure! It's a fantastic sort of way of getting them to understand a little bit about Roman history and a bit about Roman engineering, but having a hands-on way so that they can see the results of what they've been doing. One of the things with building an aqueduct is that, of course, things are going to go wrong, and you have to sort of like be able to deal with those things. Sometimes it's people holding things up, sometimes there's a bit of emergency tape, sometimes there's some string, but it's a really nice way for them to learn that actually sometimes the process of building things isn't as straightforward as plugging things together. You've got to kind of like fix things as you go. Here we go!
Wow!
Oh yeah, good, yeah. All the way.
All of these activities are really for everyone, so people of all ages. You can see very small children digging in the dig pit, but we also have families. So the atmosphere is lovely.